Hello and welcome to quick tip 43, and in this quick tip what I'm doing is drawing the level of a stop, and we're calculating the stop using the standard function SetPercentTrailing. I'm drawing that on the chart, and you can see here we're making a dummy trade and we're using set percentage trail, and the value at any particular bar of that level or of that stop is drawn here with the green line. So I've just written this to take account of short trades, and this doesn't take into account commission or slippage, and it could only really be used on a time-based chart, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, etc., rather than tick or volume-based charts. So let's just go through the program briefly and look at the main parts of it. So we have an area here where we're resetting the values of certain variables when we are flat. We're creating various dummy trades, and I'm just doing this for the E-mini and Adobe, and just to demonstrate the program. We're calling the function and using this set stop position, but we're using set percentage trailing with these two inputs, and that's a standard TradeStation function. You can right click there and look at the definition, and then the guts of the program here. And what we're saying is if we're in a short position, we need to find the max profit at any one time. We do that by saying max list of max profit and open position profit. Open position profit, this is telling us how much profit we have in a position at any one time. When that is greater than a floor amount, then we set this boolean begin trail to true, and then if begin trail is true, then we calculate where the trail is. Now if we just go to the website, and I've included an explanation of the calculation there. We've said that an exit will occur when open position profit equals max profit times 1 minus percentage amount over 100, provided the floor amount of profit has been reached. So that's what we're working towards. Now what I've said is, let's create an imaginary entry price, because we may be in a situation where we're pyramiding. So I've just, this is the way I worked it out. You might think of it slightly different, but we're calling this imaginary enterprise IEP. So we're saying that the open position profit is equal to the imaginary entry price minus the price at any one moment multiplied by the number of contracts, current contracts, multiplied by the big point value. In other words, we can express that as follows. And then we can rearrange that. So we say IEP equals close plus entry position profit divided by current contracts times big point value. So what we can then do is substitute this into the open position profit formula that we already have here. We say open position profit is max profit times 1 minus percent per amount divided by 100. If we do that, we say that this thing here, open position profit, so we're going to substitute this. We're going to say IEP, I'm changing close to the stop amount, because this is when we actually stop, or what the stop level is. So IEP minus S trail 2, it's equivalent to minus close here, times by current contracts times by big point value equals to max profit 1 times 1 minus percent amount divided by 100. So we can rearrange that yet again, and finally we get the trail to be equal to IEP minus etc. I won't read it out again, but you can see how the formula works out, and perhaps if you just have a little look at this on the web page, you'll be able to satisfy yourself that that is correct. So we can see here, for example, just got one entry. So naturally, I'm actually drawing the imaginary entry price. You could comment that out if you like in the program, but you could see that that corresponds to the actual entry. Whereas if we had a pyramiding situation, you'll see that that is some function of these three different prices. You'll also notice this only starts at a certain level. That is because we're looking for a certain base amount of profit to be reached before we begin the trail. So hopefully this might be useful to you. If you are a Gold Pass member, then you can copy and paste the program at no cost. If you're interested in this sort of material, then please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click like if you like it, and also please go to markplex.com and join the email list. Thank you very much.